Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to say this and that in Japanese. I will also share Japanese basic sentences using this and that. So let's begin. So firstly, this in Japanese it is kore, that is are or sore. Okay, so one more time. This is kore. That is are or sore. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you how to make basic sentences in Japanese using this and that. And that is, this is a pen, or that is a pen. Okay, firstly, I start from this is a pen. It is これはペンです。これはペンです。And that is a pen. It is あれ or それはペンです。あれはペンです。or それはペンです。Just to let you know that それand あれ are almost the same, so you can use either of them. Okay, next one is when this and that become modifier in the sentences. When they become modifiers in sentences, they are slightly different from これ or あれ. So this pen is この pen. That pen is あの pen or その pen. You can't say this pen as これ pen. It is always この pen or that pen would be その pen or あの pen, not あれ pen. Okay, now I'm going to share one example sentence for using this and that as modifiers. That would be, may I have this pen? Or may I have that pen? May I have this pen? Is このペンをください。このペンをください。ください is may I have. So, may I have that pen? そのペンをください。そのペンをください。or あのペンをください。あのペンをください。Okay, so in this video, you learned 3 things. So number 1 is how to say this and that in Japanese. This is これ. That is あれ or それ. Number 2 is making a simple sentence in Japanese using this and that. And for this, I chose a sentence of this is a pen and that is a pen. This is a pen is これはペンです。That is a pen is あれはペンです。or それはペンです。And number 3 is using this and that as modifiers. And for this, I gave example of may I have this pen and may I have that pen. May I have this pen is このペンをください。このペンをください。May I have that pen? あのペンをください。or そのペンをください。I hope this lesson wasn't too difficult for you, but if you have any requests or questions, please leave comments down below. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I see you soon.